Alright, we are now at the Shilin Night Market and we're gonna start off at the main entrance. Tapos nandito na yung famous hot star na meron sa Pilipinas but it's made in Taiwan. So, is it worth the hype? Sobrang haba ng pila. But I don't think I'm gonna line up. Shilin Night Market is one of the oldest, biggest, and most famous night markets here in Taiwan. It started in 1900s, early 1900s. And being a tourist-centered shopping district, right? Syempre, it took a hit ng pandemic and now, of course, from late 2023 hanggang ngayon, they're recovering. Some shops closed down, pero ngayon, it's hustling, bustling, obviously very famous with long lines in some of the stores. In every guide, itinerary na meron online, Shilin Night Market is probably gonna be there. So I think unahin muna natin yung ibang mas famous spots, tapos let's go back to here later. So I ordered 2. It's pan-fried paos, steamed in water, then pan-fried from the dried up water. So I ordered 1 meat and 1 vegetable, so tikman natin. Crispy at the bottom, well cooked yung dough. Hindi siya hilaw, unlike yung ibang nga sa Pilipinas that they're trying to copy Taiwan pan-fried paos. Ito well cooked. Yung gulay, sakto lang. Crispy cabbage. Well seasoned, not so salty, hindi nakakaumay. So let's try the pork. Feel ko mas masarap yung pork. When you order, may English menu doon, so mas madaling orderin. It's okay. Parang this couldn't go wrong. And hindi siya nakakaumay, so pwede mo siyang kainin ng kainin. Pero worth the detour, sakto lang, not really. So, hindi ko muna ubusin kasi madami pa tayong kakainin. Plum powder yung in-order ko. Chewy. Tama lang yung pagka-chewy niya. The plum powder add salty and sourness. Ang sarap. And I think it's also because I like chewy things. Ito, it mixes the balance of chewiness and crispiness. Cold noodles. Yung noodles niya parang spaghetti. Tapos may bits of cucumber to balance things. Overall, would I recommend? Yes. So, nagpadagdag ako ng spice. Nagpadagdag din kayo ng spice. Recommended. Might be our last stop for tonight. Sugarcane juice. 80 pesos. Kalasan niyo ba yung sa Pilipinas? Parang mas masarap yung sa Pilipinas. Yung sa Binondo. It tastes like cold water na medyo matamis. Sabi, nakakapagod. But I think I have more space for one more thing. The last time I ate this was in China when I was a kid. Let's try to order one. Chow mein. I think we are ending the night strong. May nahulog na pera, oh. Tignan nyo. Diba kanina may pinakita akong $100 na nahulog. Sa akin pala yun. Oh my gosh. Like, di ako mag-get over. Na-realize ko na pauwi na ako. Sa akin pala yun. $100. That's like 170 pesos. That was so careless of me. My mistake talaga yun. Kasi nung kumukuha siguro ko ng pera sa wallet ko, hindi ko napansin. Kasi magkakadikit sila. Nalaman ko na lang nung kinocompute ko na lang yung pera ko or yung mga nagastos. Dumihan na naman tayo. My friends say that's a sign na nasarapan ako. The sugar is not too thick. Tapos the strawberries, plump and succulent. So soft, so juicy. Sakto lang yung sweetness and tartness niya. So we just got back from the night market. We're now at our hotel. And may mga few things lang ako na-realize at natutunan based on my experience sa night market earlier today. Okay, so number 1. It's a Saturday today. I went there, sobrang crowded. If you wanna have a less crowded experience, punta ka ng 5 to 6 p.m. or mga 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Pangalawa, a lot of the stores are repetitive. So, if may mga specific stuff ka na gusto i-try, katulad nung mushroom, sweet potato balls, buns, toasted buns. Madami silang branches around the area. So, when you go to the entrance of the Shirley Night Market, you go inside there, may mga parang perya doon. And you go deeper, merong mga kainan na doon. So, doon nagka-crowd yung mga tao. Pero, if you go deeper, sa dulo ng night market, sa gilid, you would see na halos same lang yung mga brands. Unless, of course, meron ka specific brand na hinahanap. Kunwari yung Hot Star doon. Hindi ko natikman yung Hot Star kasi sobrang haba ng pila. Pero yung Hot Star doon, isa lang yun doon. Probably may ibang branches around Taiwan. Pero doon sa Shirley Night Market, yun lang yun doon. Kaya sobrang pinipilahan siya. And lastly, be ready na mapawisan at mahagard at pumila. Lalo na siguro kasi weekend ako pumunta. Mas maganda rin kapag may kasama ka para ma-share mo yung food, tas mas madami kayong matry kasi di kayo mabubusog agad. Wait lang, sakit na ng tuhod ko, nakaluhod lang ako. Ang tanong, worth it pupuntahan yung Shirley Night Market? I think for the vibes, pwede. For the food, not so much. Yung mga food kasi, pwede mo siyang bilhin sa mga normal streets kung saan ka man nakapag-hotel or sa mga streets na madadaanan mo kapag papunta ka sa mga train stations. But if you want amazing food, I don't think it's the place to go to. Well, I haven't tried much food din naman as of now. Day 1 was Tian Tian Lisa Seaman thing. Day 2 was